The JJ Mack building is Helical and our JV partner Ashby Capital's newest 200,000 square foot office building, delivering office floor plates around 23,000 to 13,000 square feet over 10 floors in the heart of Farringdon. We set out with high ideals for sustainability and smart technology. Fortunately, both go hand in hand. The thing that makes it stand out for me is the collaborative nature behind the process, in that the teams all work together with the goal to make it one of the most sustainable and technologically advanced buildings that they had worked on. So for us, a smart building is a building that allows us to record the data of its operations. The digital twin is that virtual representation of the building. It comes out of the building information modelling solution that we put in place for the design and construction, and gives us real-time data as to how occupants and managers can manipulate the space that they inhabit. The building information modelling process has allowed us to capture static data as well in relation to all the component parts. This is integral in terms of the golden thread of understanding of how your building is put together, which we believe will have inherent value in the future disposal of the asset. So the principle of the golden thread is effectively being able to have information based on from the start to the finish of the development process, so that we know that every component part has a set of data attached to it that explains what it is, what it does, where it came from, and how you can maintain and replace it. We are able to digitise that information using the building information modelling framework, and from that the digital twin, which will allow tenants and occupiers to get real-time access to that information. Working with WSP allowed us to have that management control over the building information modelling process. It was key to the teams working collaboratively together, making sure that all the systems were coordinated. With WSP, we developed a BIM strategy in order to inform the design team and coordinated the construction and consultants to work with that BIM principle in order to create a virtual model of the building through the design and construction process. The ability to design the building and put it together in a virtual reality makes complete sense and gives us the same effective result.
WSP is a good fit for this project, as we've got a whole lot of experience in design matters as well as sustainability and advanced digital technology in construction. But the real benefit from working at JJ Mack would be there is an app that the users can use, which once downloaded gives them access to control all of the features in the building, such as lighting, cooling, booking meeting rooms, calling lifts. So the app provided by the building owners to the users empowers them to have much more control over their working environment.
What we're now being able to do is hold and track historic data to help inform how buildings can be operated and used in the future. I think that's going to be a game changer, particularly when we get to the principles of AI and machine learning, where the buildings will be able to learn from how they're being used and basically manage themselves going forward, which will be the next step in terms of energy saving.
The success of the JJ Mack building is that it sets a benchmark for other developers to use modern technology, advanced technology, to enhance the experience of its users.